Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Kia wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades, a soft towel, and any tools like a small flathead screwdriver if needed. Park your Kia on a level surface and turn off the ignition for safety. It's a good idea to measure your existing blades to ensure you have the correct replacement sizes before you begin the process. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade straight off the hook. Always place a towel on your windshield to protect it in case the wiper arm accidentally falls down. Installing the new blades is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear or feel a click, indicating it's securely in place. Once attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto your windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade to complete the replacement. After installing both new blades, it's time for a final check. Turn on your vehicle and test the wipers with some washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear your windshield completely. Make sure there are no streaks or missed spots. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Finally, dispose of your old wiper blades responsibly. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.